G'day guys, Craig here from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2009 Ford Ranger 3-litre turbo diesel auto, 2-wheel drive with high ride suspension. This car will be for wrecking out for parts only and is not for sale. We can be contacted at totalpartsplus.com.au or on 07 3848 1382. As you can see, we have a TJM winch bull bar on the front of this thing. It has some minor scrapes and a few little dents and things here and there. Still perfectly salvageable. Bonnet appears to be in good condition. Maybe has survived the rollover. Grille on the other hand, no good. Two good headlights, left and right. Let's take a look at the engine. You can see everything has survived. Rad support still in good nick, salvageable. Air cleaner box. All accessories available, alternator, starter motors, AC compressors. Left front guard's damaged. The indicator insert, although appears to have survived. This car is fitted with 15-inch rims, steel rims. Passenger side doors, probably not usable, a little bit too much damage. Dark grey seats, door trims. Airbag kit has not exploded. Power windows, automatic transmission. CD player, bucket seat conversion available with center console. Rear tub and both tail lights have been damaged in the rollover. No use to anybody. Rear bumper would probably be salvageable for private use. So fitted with a tow bar. Comes complete with all brackets and bolts. And discover exactly how to fit QUT's flexible, real-world postgraduate study into a busy schedule. It's on Tuesday the 9th of October. Once again on the right side, door shells, not really any use to anybody. A little too much damage. Although the front right-hand guard appears to have taken a small amount of damage, probably salvageable. Thank you for watching. You can contact us at totalpartsplus.com.au or at 07 3848 1382.